This is Dr. James McCall with a tip when it's time to replace your toothbrush. Okay, you want the filthy truth? Your toothbrush is a breeding ground for germs. But fear not, you just need to know when it's time to give your toothbrush the old heave-ho. Do you know how many bacteria live on your toothbrush? Brace yourself. Researchers have found that a single toothbrush can be loaded with as many as 10 million germs and bacteria. In fact, recent studies have even found that your toothbrush could be a breeding ground for tiny microorganisms. But before you swear off brushing, know this: these bacteria aren't a big threat to you. According to studies, researchers who discovered those toothbrush-dwelling microorganisms found that they didn't make people sick. That's because toothpaste has an anti-germ component built into it, and the microbes need moisture to survive. So, as long as your toothbrush is given time to dry after you use it, you should be safe. To take care of your teeth and your toothbrush, it's important to use your toothbrush the way you're supposed to. Rinse it in tap water and then let it air dry. This starts with you storing your toothbrush in an upright position. Most people don't need to worry about storing it away from other toothbrushes. Germs are airborne, but they don't jump from brush to brush. However, if someone in the household has an immune deficiency, you can't be too careful. If you're really dedicated about dental care, you can soak your toothbrush in alcohol to kill the germs. Mouthwash is also an antiseptic, so it works as a toothbrush soak too, as does a solution of half water and half hydrogen peroxide. Another option is to dip it in boiling water for about 5 to 10 seconds. So when is it time for a new toothbrush? According to the American Dental Association, they recommend getting a new toothbrush or a brush head, if you use an electric type, about every 3 months. More because of the wear on the bristles rather than the germs. And that depends on the brusher and not the brush. If you have a heavy hand, the bristles might wear out sooner. Remember that the key determinant is not the calendar, but the shape of the bristles. You need to replace your toothbrush when the bristles spew in different directions. Check your children's toothbrushes regularly because they will probably need to be replaced more frequently. Should you replace your toothbrush after an illness like a cold? No. Just be sure it dries out between uses so that the germs can survive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to log on to my website at jamesjmccall.com or give my office a call to schedule a free dental consultation or a procedure. And remember, keep your dental health a priority.